Good evening. The cross-examination of a child continued today at a murder trial in Kitchener that's connected to the death of her mother. The young girl was seriously hurt in a triple stabbing. Her surgeon also took the stand to answer questions about the severity of the girl's injuries. Now, we do have a warning. The details in this story are disturbing. With more from the Kitchener courthouse, here's CTV's Spencer Turcotte.
A young girl popped up on screen again today inside a Kitchener courtroom, joining virtually to testify from the Child Witness Center. The defense continued to cross-examine her account of the triple stabbing from November 2022, which saw the young girl seriously hurt, her mother killed, and the accused's mother injured too. Dylan Morera is charged with second-degree murder and multiple counts of attempted murder and aggravated assault. Defense lawyer Stephen Gale asked the girl, "You ran upstairs to your room before anything physical between Dylan and your mom, isn't that true?" "Yes." Gale then read from a transcript of an April 2024 preliminary hearing where the girl mentioned Dylan attacking her mom, who was Morera's girlfriend at the time. "I seen him physically pick up a knife and stab her," Gale read aloud. "Is that true?" "Yes," the girl replied. The defense then rhymed off a long list of suggestions to the girl, asking her each time if she agreed. "I'm going to suggest that Dylan never said you're all dead. I'm going to suggest that Dylan never grabbed your mother by the throat. I'm going to suggest that Dylan never threw you to the ground." The girl did not agree with any of those statements. The Crown had a chance for re-examination, asking the girl, "How have you been feeling while answering these questions over the last 2 days?" "Nervous," the girl responded. The Crown then called their next witness to the stand, pediatric surgeon Dr. James Bain. When the young girl arrived at McMaster Children's Hospital in 2022, Dr. Bain told court she had 9 wounds, and it was determined she needed urgent surgery. Crown prosecutor Jonathan Jank asking Dr. Bain to analyze each injury and assess the severity. They were deemed life-threatening, saying the particular stab wound in her armpit was millimeters away from critical structures. He told court the girl is very fortunate to be able to survive these injuries. The Crown then called Waterloo Regional Police Constable Austin Eves, who attended the Cayley Court home the night of the stabbings. Eves described entering the home with a ballistic shield. He told court he saw a man lying at the bottom of a set of stairs covered in blood. "I observed 2 legs underneath him," Eves said, adding there was concern of someone underneath him. He told court officers found a woman underneath a man inside the home and that she required urgent medical attention. Eves testified that officers later identified the man as Dylan Morera, and when they tried to arrest him, he flailed and kicked, shouting out, "They're going to kill me." During cross-examination, defense lawyer Stephen Gale asked whether Constable Eves saw the injuries on Morera's face. "There was so much blood in the basement I couldn't tell where the injuries were," he said. The trial continues tomorrow when Dylan Morera's mother is expected to testify. Spencer Turcotte, CTV News, Kitchener.